Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening TikTok to the specific video or your draft. Once there, tap Share or Edit to surface audio controls. This gives you direct access to the clip's soundtrack. Make sure you have headphones if you need precise listening. You do this because controlling source audio in-app prevents roupload issues and preserves video sync. Now proceed to the audio menu so you can isolate the background track. This first move sets up the rest of the removal steps. Once in the audio menu, find the music layer labeled by song name or original sound. You can mute it by dragging the music volume slider to 0 or selecting Remove Sound. This stops background music while keeping other audio. If dialogue is mixed with music, choose Replace and add a clean sound or voiceover to avoid hollow gaps. Make sure to preview. This step matters because muting verses replacing affects viewer experience and sync. You finish by previewing the whole video to ensure dialogue and visuals remain in sync after removing music. If everything looks right, save or post the updated clip. If you still hear music, try toggling audio layers, clear the app cache, or update TikTok since old versions can glitch. As a last resort, export the video, remove music in a simple editor, then reupload. This troubleshooting tip prevents wasted posts and fixes persistent background audio issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.